Hey everyone, it's your name here. Let's face it, the marketing game is changing faster than ever. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. But don't worry, I'm here to help you stay ahead of the curve. Today, we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of AI marketing. We're talking about the game-changing tools that are no longer just a luxury for big companies, but essential for anyone looking to level up their marketing game in 2025. In 2025, AI tools aren't just an advantage, they're a necessity. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, these 5 AI tools will transform the way you work. Stay tuned. First on our list is Jasper AI, the ultimate content creation powerhouse. Now, imagine this. You're staring at a blank page, the deadline is looming, and you've got a bad case of writer's block. We've all been there, right? But what if I told you there's a way to say goodbye to those content creation struggles? With Jasper AI, you can kiss writer's block goodbye and generate high-quality blog posts, ad copy, or even engaging email campaigns in just minutes. You don't have to be a coding whiz or an AI expert to use it. Simply plug in your ideas, some keywords you want to target, and watch as Jasper works its magic. It's like having a team of expert copywriters at your fingertips, 24/7. Jasper doesn't just spit out generic content, it adapts to your tone and voice, ensuring that every piece of content aligns with your brand's unique style and messaging. Whether you're writing a blog post that needs to rank on Google, or crafting a compelling ad copy that converts, Jasper AI adapts to your needs. And here's the kicker. Jasper AI is incredibly efficient. We're talking about cutting down your content production time by up to 70%. Think about all the time you'll save. Time you can now invest in other crucial aspects of your business like strategy and connecting with your audience. Chapter 2. Canva AI Design Like a Pro, No Experience Needed. Next up we have Canva AI, the design tool that's about to become your new best friend. Now Canva has always been a favorite for marketers who need to create stunning visuals quickly. But with Canva AI, it's gone from great to phenomenal. Remember the days when you needed to hire a graphic designer for every little visual? Those days are over. Canva AI puts the power of professional design right at your fingertips, even if you're a complete beginner. Think of it as having a design expert guiding you every step of the way. Canva AI uses smart templates and design suggestions that make the entire process a breeze. You don't need to be a Photoshop guru to create eye-catching visuals for your social media, email campaigns, or even presentations. Want to create an Instagram post that stops people from scrolling? Canva AI has got you covered. Need a professional-looking presentation for your next webinar? Canva AI makes it easy. You can even design a brand logo that captures the essence of your business. And the best part? It's all done with simple drag-and-drop functionality. No more wrestling with complicated software or spending hours on a single design. Canva AI empowers you to create visuals that elevate your brand's presence online, effortlessly. Chapter 3. HubSpot AI, your CRM and analytics powerhouse. Now let's talk about HubSpot AI, the secret weapon for marketers who are serious about streamlining their customer relationship management and analytics. In today's world, data is king, and HubSpot AI helps you make sense of it all. Imagine having a 360-degree view of your customers, understanding their needs, and being able to personalize their experience at every touchpoint. That's the power of HubSpot AI. It seamlessly integrates into your existing marketing strategy, working behind the scenes to help you track leads, segment your audience, and deliver the right content to the right people at the right time. It's like having a personal assistant for your marketing, making sure everything runs smoothly. But it's not just about organization. HubSpot AI is also about intelligence. It analyzes vast amounts of data, providing you with real-time insights into your customers' behaviors. This allows you to create automated workflows that do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine this. A potential customer visits your pricing page, downloads a case study, but then disappears. HubSpot AI can automatically trigger a personalized email follow-up, re-engaging them with the information they need to make a decision. It's all about being proactive and striking while the iron is hot. Chapter 4. Adzooma AI-powered ad management made easy. Let's be honest, managing ads across multiple platforms like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft can feel like you're juggling chainsaws while riding a unicycle. It's time-consuming, complex, and let's face it, a little bit terrifying. But fear no more because Adzooma is here to save the day. This AI-powered ad management tool takes all the complexity out of online advertising, making it accessible to everyone. Think of Adzooma as your personal ad campaign optimizer, working 24/7 to ensure you're getting the most bang for your buck. It analyzes your campaign performance data and provides you with actionable insights that you can actually use. No more staring at spreadsheets trying to decipher what's working and what's not. Adzooma tells you exactly what needs to be tweaked. Need to improve your click-through rates? Adzooma will show you how. Want to adjust your bids for optimal performance? Adzooma has got you covered. But here's where it gets really interesting. Adzooma's AI also helps you uncover hidden opportunities for targeting. It analyzes data to identify new audiences that are most likely to be interested in your products or services. It's like having a team of expert data scientists working for you, but without the hefty price tag. Chapter 5, ChatGPT, your AI brainstorming buddy. And last but certainly not least, we have ChatGPT, the AI brainstorming buddy that every marketer needs in their corner. Have you ever felt stuck in a creative rut, struggling to come up with fresh ideas? We've all been there. Whether you're looking for innovative content suggestions, need help crafting a compelling ad copy, or just want to bounce some ideas off a virtual sounding board, ChatGPT is here to help. It's like having a brainstorming session with a marketing genius on demand. But here's what sets ChatGPT apart. It learns from you. The more you interact with it, the better it understands your brand, your voice, and your specific needs. It's like having a marketing assistant that gets smarter over time. Need to come up with a catchy tagline for your new product launch? ChatGPT can help. Want to brainstorm some out-of-the-box marketing strategies? ChatGPT is your go-to tool. It's also incredibly helpful for customer interactions, providing real-time solutions to common questions and issues. Imagine this. It's the weekend and you're enjoying some well-deserved downtime when suddenly, you remember that you forgot to schedule that important social media post. No problem. ChatGPT can help you craft the perfect post in minutes, saving you from a potential marketing mishap. So there you have it, the 5 AI tools that are going to revolutionize the way you market in 2025. These tools are no longer a luxury. They're the key to staying ahead of the curve, working smarter, and achieving better results. Remember, the future of marketing is all about embracing innovation and leveraging the power of AI. And the best part, these tools are more accessible than ever before. These 5 AI tools are your key to marketing success in 2025. By leveraging the power of AI, you can stay ahead of the curve and dominate your niche. The future of marketing is here, and it's more accessible than ever. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more actionable marketing insights. Let's conquer the future of marketing together.